Hey, welcome to Honeyfly Studios tutorial for the yoga kickboard. The yoga kickboard can be used for dropbacks in headstand, handstand, and walkovers in backbends. It's got a lot of great uses, but it's mainly for those kinds of inversions. So you're just going to take a piece of plywood. You can decide on the height, but this is about 3.5 feet by 1 inch. And it's very strong, very sturdy. It's not flimsy. You want to make sure you have a good, strong piece of wood. And you're going to take a yoga mat. That's what we use, and it works great. You could probably spend more time, like, I don't know, taping something over it or stapling something over it, or gluing. But this is really simple. You just fold it over the top. And then you're going to place the kickboard up against the wall. And you want to be sure that the kickboard is then on top of another yoga mat. So this is going to keep it from slipping. If you don't have it on a yoga mat or a really firm foundation, it will slip, and then you could actually cause some problems. So we've never had any issues with this, but just remember, be sure that it's on a really sturdy surface. I'll post a video of me doing a yoga pose in it so you can actually see how to use it, but this is how to set it up.